Alright, well, here we are with the DC-3 Topflight kit I've been working on for a while here. Got all the wings set up, all the lights in, and she's all built. All the control surfaces. Starting to prep for my wing paneling, which is going to be this chrome tape, the aluminum here, aluminum tape. So it's going to be look like it's all aluminum. And I decided, as you notice here, something hanging out of the nozzles. The Wankel rotaries, I couldn't get the exhaust, and I'm tired of waiting, and I decided to modify and go electric. So it was quite a procedure. I had to break out the saw and start cutting, which was a little scary, but I ended up cutting off the square motor mounts that were made to work, as you see, the angles for the thrust angle, and I ended up going with a flush, as it would be with the electric counter-rotating props. I think she'll be just fine. I'm bolting straight through to the block for the Wankels, and then screwing right into the motor mount or the firewall, and it seems to be just fine. Holds it fairly well, or real well. You know, that's not going anywhere. So that's going to be the setup. I'll have two. They're 25 size. They're Eflights. 25 size, and then I'll put a 45 amp speed controller. I can run 6S, 4S, 5S, you know, depending on how long I want to fly her. And these are half as heavy as the Wankel rotaries and produce just as much power. So it's going to be interesting. I had to modify and make a motor mount for them. And actually what it's a speaker. They're speakers that I cut and butchered to make that back mounting plate for it. So that worked out real well. Here was my first run at it, but it was held it too far off of the firewall, as you see here. So the engine knots would have been too far out, so I found a couple more speakers, cut them down, and flared them out, and it's a perfect fit. It'll be great. Perfect fit once we get her all together. And I can run these 4-bladed props, and you've probably seen my other video to where it yanks my little test stand across the floor. But I think it'll be pretty cool. The 4-bladed props I can't get counter-rotating, I don't believe, but I can get the master air screws counter-rotate, a pusher prop. So I'll order those, and she'll be fine. But the 4-bladed prop is insane. It'd be a vertical aircraft. Anyway, that's the modification for the electric mod on the DC-3 Topflight kit. So can't wait to get her going and covered and get some more video. Alright, you guys, cheers.